Alright guys, I'm going to review this Judy G pizza. We're going to cook this up. I'm actually going to cook this in the air fryer. This was on sale, by the way. I got it really cheap, so you can see it's a roasted Mediterranean artichoke. I usually won't buy this one because it has olives. I'm not a big fan of olives, but because it was on sale, I'll do it. And it says dairy-free, gluten-free, and look at that. So let's take a look at the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. There's nutrient content. Here's the ingredients in there. Alright, let's open this up. So, this one has artichokes in there. Alright, see, it's very small. Look at the size of my hand. It's pretty small. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it in half and then I'm going to stick it in the air fryer to cook it. So we won't have to use the oven. Alright, I'll be back, guys. There is the pizza in my gourmet air fryer, so I'll cook it up. It actually fits. I'm actually quite surprised. So I'm going to cook it up and I'll be back to do a quick taste.
Guys, it's in the air fryer. As you can see, it's all finished. Actually looks pretty good. It's got a nice golden brown crust. I have to wait until it cools down to take a bigger taste, but I'm going to take one of these toppings to do a quick taste test. Here it is. It's actually pretty good. There's no cheese on it or anything, right? So that's why it's dairy free. But pretty good. Gonna wait till it cools down, but definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, subscribe to the channel.